So a fairly common question that I see around the internet all the time is people looking to find parts and how people find parts. Well, today I want to walk you guys through how I find parts on Google using a little more advanced techniques than other guys know, so you can get ahead and get parts that nobody else can find. So let's get into that. So we're going to start out by hitting Google right away. So what we're going to look for is a set of Ram Air heads. Start with the Ram Air 3 heads for sale. So we're going to have some things pop up here. Basic eBay listings, things like that. So we'll check here and see what we can find for pricing. So we're going to see about $900. We're going to see in here. So 48 castings. Okay. So our goal right now is going to be to find these 48 castings for as cheap as possible in the next 5 minutes. There's going to be a couple techniques we're going to use here. The first is going to be quotes. So what quotes are going to do is going to look for just that phrase or that word or that letter combination on the page. So we're going to go Pontiac in quotes, 48 in quotes, and we'll see what pops up. Okay, not much, right? We're going to spell Pontiac right. That might help. So Pontiac 48. So we're going to see Pontiac years. So what we're going to do next is heads. Okay, for sale. So now what we're looking for is Pontiac 48 heads specifically on this webpage, and for sale in any combination of sale, for sale with spaces. So what we're going to do next to make sure these listings are current is we're going to hit up tools, anytime, and we're going to look in the last month. Those are the most current ones. So this is going to do a couple things for you. This is going to, I'll let you search multiple websites, including Craigslist, typically. Facebook Marketplace, sometimes hit or miss, but usually eBay, things like that. So we're going to look at our first listing here using this technique. We're going to notice that it has Pontiac heads highlighted, 1969 48 heads. So we're going to click on this. And this is not a website that most people are aware of. This is something that we really wouldn't look at. But you see, we already found a set for $700. So if we wanted to, we could buy these, maybe clean up a little bit, paint them, sell them for the $900 or $1,200. So you're making money doing this. 061 heads. I mean, this technique applies to a lot of different things. So yeah, I mean, there's plenty of options here. And this thing applies to a lot of different things. So if we're looking for, I'm looking for a 64 Tempest frame right now. But that's not the only trick up my sleeve. I've got a few more places I can look. If you guys are interested in a few more of these tips, comment down below and let me know. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe. Have a good one, and I will see you on the road.